Hello everyone. It's great that there is no bar chord. My name is Akita. I am doing a guitar class for beginners. I want as many people as possible to know the joy of playing music. Today's lesson is Yesterday from the Beatles. If you watch this video to the end, you will be able to play Yesterday on your guitar. Of course, practice is necessary. This channel converts difficult bar chords such as F and BM into simple chords. In addition, lesson videos are released by selecting songs with only simple chords. Please subscribe to the channel. VOC the easy version to play when the red ball glows. Let's go.
I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I say something wrong now. I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I say something wrong now. I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
This time, the capo is set to the 7th fret. I set it to a primary key that I can sing. From now on, I will check the code used in Yesterday.
まずは G、 E マイナー、 D、 C、 B7、 A7。
Next is the explanation of the strumming used in 1, 2, 3, 4. Down strumming only.
ジャンっていうだけでやってみました。
Original strumming is this pattern.
こんな感じで
I won't do difficult things. I gave a lesson on Yesterday from the Beatles today. If you can play Yesterday on the guitar, please show me on YouTube. The guitar class for beginners is enrolled by subscribing to the channel. I hope you can enjoy the guitar more. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye.